Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. The question is, a growing number of people rely on frozen food and packaged meals rather than home cooked food to supply most of their meals. What are the advantages and disadvantages of eating this way? So, if you look at the question, it's saying frozen food. In India we get lots of frozen foods like Haldiram frozen food where you get dal makhni, rajma chawal combo or paneer Manchurian and noodles combo. They are like frozen meals everywhere, and many people prefer that. Okay. Now the question is stating what are the advantages and disadvantages. It is not asking for your opinion. Question is not asking for your opinion whether frozen food is better than home cooked foods. It is just asking what are the advantages of frozen food and packaged meals and what are the disadvantages over home cooked food. Okay, so let's look at the advantages first. Convenience. In our fast paced, demanding world, the ability to quickly prepare a meal without the time consuming process of shopping for ingredients, chopping, cooking, and cleaning up makes it hassle free and convenient. If you want to cook home cooked food, you have to go to the grocery store, buy the vegetables, wash them, cut them, and then cook them. This is time consuming. Okay, so prepackaged meals are much better in this regard. They are more convenient. You just have to bring them from the store and then just heat them in the microwave, and that's it. So it is very simple. It is very convenient. Okay, you don't need to be a chef. It's just you heat it and eat it kind of thing. Storage. Prepared options often boast an extended shelf life, allowing individuals to stock up on provisions. So, prepackaged meals also have a long shelf life. Okay. So, for example, certain prepackaged foods have a shelf life of up to 3 months, of 6 months. Okay. That's called their best before date. So, once you buy them, you can stock them up easily. You could put them in the freezer and then heat it eat it and as per your convenience. Okay. So, they are hassle free. Now let's look at the third point, consistency of taste. Frozen and packaged meals offer a high degree of consistency and predictability in terms of taste. Now in home cooked food what happens is that many times you may put some extra spice like extra salt or extra paprika or cumin or for that matter any spice. Okay, and it tastes different every time. There's no similarity. If you go to restaurants, in restaurant food, the food is similar every time you go. If you go to eat butter chicken or chai paneer in a restaurant, you will see that the gravy is same every time you go there. Why? Because their gravies are pre-made. Okay, so they often have consistency while we cannot achieve that kind of consistency in home cooked food. Similar cases for prepackaged meals. Prepackaged meals have the same taste. Okay, and that's why people like that because sometimes they feel that it is adequate to their taste buds. Now let's look at the disadvantages. Nutritional quality. Many commercial prepared foods are often laden with preservatives, excessive sodium, and unhealthy fats. This can lead to an imbalanced diet lacking in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals necessary for optimal health. Okay, prepackaged meals in the advantages we have talked about how they can be stored for a long time. How? Because they have many preservatives. Excessive sodium, salt is an excellent preservative. Okay, if a food has extra acid or extra salt in it, then it doesn't go bad easily. But what happens then is that the nutritional quality goes down. You don't get enough fiber, you don't get enough vitamins or minerals. Okay, and this can lead to imbalanced diet. which lacks in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, necessary for optimal health because there are no fibers. Okay, so that food is not good for your health. Okay, which can lead to obesity. Degraded natural flavors. Frozen and packaged food meals can reduce the natural flavors and textures of the ingredient. Conversely, the taste and aroma of freshly prepared food meals is often superior to their mass produced counterparts. Frozen and packaged meals have extra flavors. If you ever look at the back of the packaged meal box, you'll see that there are extra flavors added. There are additional flavors added. Why? Because the natural flavors of the vegetable or the meat has been disintegrated already when they cook it, and that's why they have to add extra flavors. So while home cooked foods have a freshness to them, they have a natural feel to them, and that's why the aroma is more loved. Okay. Third is environmental impact. The use of excessive packaging materials coupled with carbon footprint generated by the distribution process can contribute to increased waste and greenhouse gas emissions. Since pre-packaged meals come in a plastic box, you just eat and then you just throw the plastic box. Where does it go? It goes to the landfill and it becomes a part of waste. Okay? While in home cooked meals, you wash your dishes after you have eaten, and then you reuse those dishes as well. So the greenhouse effect or the effect on the environment is less. Okay. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages of packaged meals versus home cooked food. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button